That provides integrated lights with brake and turn signals. I love cycling because of the freedom it gives me to get around quickly and easily. But I often feel invisible at night, even with my bike lights on. That's why I created Lumos. I wanted to take control of my own safety by building a helmet that will make me more visible to everyone on the road. Lumos is a next-generation helmet that brings intuitive and common-sense features to your most important piece of gear. At its core, Lumos is a comfortable helmet designed to be both sleek and strong. With more than 60 built-in LEDs, Lumos really helps you stand out at night. Its lights make you more visible in all directions because they are higher and larger than traditional bicycle-mounted lights. And since they are part of the helmet, you don't have to worry about your lights being stolen off your bicycle or forgotten at home. With a built-in accelerometer, Lumos detects when you're slowing down and automatically displays a brake light so that people behind you can easily see and react to your changing speed. Hand turn signals are often hard to see at night. Lumos displays left and right turn signals controlled by a wireless remote on your handlebar so that drivers can see your intentions and give you space. We built Lumos to be rugged and water resistant. With one button to turn on and simple micro USB charging, Lumos is easy to use and fits seamlessly into your daily routine. After more than a year of research and development here in Boston, we have a finalized design and are working with a factory that has more than 20 years of experience building high-quality helmets. We are ready for production, but first we need your help. By backing this campaign, you can be one of the first people in the world to receive this helmet and be part of the movement for better cyclist safety. To get Lumos out on the road, please also consider sharing this with your friends and people you know who bike. Thank you so much for your support. Be seen and be safe.
Well, nowadays people take thousands of pictures with their cell phones, but they never look at them. So we decided to create an object that will make them able to share pictures with their friend and family in a tangible way.
Print is the first smartphone case that prints out pictures instantly.
You just have to plug your smartphone, snap a picture, and it will print instantly.
We worked during a year on about 15 different prototypes to come up with one product that's really easy to use. For example, it doesn't use Bluetooth technology or Wi-Fi.
You can take a picture, but you can also use pictures from Facebook, Instagram, any picture that is already on your smartphone.
My biggest design challenge was to create an object that will work with different types of smartphones.
We're compatible with the iPhone 5, the iPhone 6, and also the Galaxy S4 and Galaxy S5. And we're trying to bring it to more smartphones.
So we don't need any ink cartridge. All the ink is already in the paper. You just have to hit it and the picture will appear like magic. Like I said, what we really love about instant cameras is the whole experience. So we try to capture it by recording a short videos of 5-6 seconds just before you take a picture.
This video will play automatically on the paper through augmented reality when you scan it with our app.
We wanted to go further than just printing pictures. We wanted to bring memories that you could hold in your hands and that you could give away whenever you wanted. Print is for everybody because everybody likes a printed picture that you can hold in your hand. You know, it's like a memory that you can give away. So we are on Kickstarter because we need your support to go to production, and also we need your feedback so that we can improve our product.
Trees to stone might stop this shaking. Distance gone is slowly taken. Distance gone.
Convergence is the future of computing. So we've reshaped Ubuntu to combine the mobility of a smartphone and the power of a desktop on a single device. We unveiled Ubuntu for phones at Mobile World Congress in February, and CNET declared it their best of show. Operators loved the design, and some of the world's largest have now joined our advisory group. We also gained the support of key silicon vendors to the mobile industry. So now, finally, we're talking to the companies who actually make phones, with the goal that Ubuntu will arrive on mid and high-end devices in 2014, right on schedule. Along the way, we learned something really interesting. We learned that new mobile technologies get proven in the lab, but then hit a production roadblock, because manufacturers don't want to select a new technology for a device that's supposed to sell 10 or 50 million units until they know it can be produced at that scale. Now, in the motorcar industry, we have Formula One to test new technology. But the mobile industry has nothing like that. There's no premium segment for expert drivers. It's like everyone is driving mass-produced sedans. We don't have a consumer testbed for cutting-edge technologies, but we do have a new mechanism for driving innovation: crowdfunding. Since the Ubuntu vision of convergence for the phone and the PC will push the limits of mobile computing, and since we're working with industry already, and since millions of you are passionate about the latest and greatest phone technology, software and hardware, we're in a perfect position together to change the way innovation comes to the mobile industry. So, we've explored every aspect of the phone, spoken to companies that have interesting next-generation technologies, and drawn up the blueprints for a concept device that brings together the most exciting innovations that are real but still on the horizon. We call it the Ubuntu Edge. Beautiful inside and out. The body will be crafted from a single piece of textured metal, making it really solid in your hand. It will have precisely chamfered edges for the optimal grip and perfect control of the edge gestures that are central to the Ubuntu mobile experience. The display is the window into your content. The phone industry today is a bit like the camera industry 5 years ago, stuck in a megapixel race, chasing wasted resolution. What's much more interesting is color accuracy and brightness. So we'll select the panel with the best combination of resolution, dynamic range, and color accuracy. The size of that screen has to be just right for edge gestures to give you total control in one hand. Based on our testing with prototypes, a 4.5-inch screen is the perfect size. And to protect the display, we'll replace glass with sapphire crystal, a material so hard you'll need diamonds in your pocket to leave a scratch. The same goes for the camera, because phone cameras are used for personal shots without stage lighting, so we'd like to optimize for low light, fast response, and up-close pictures rather than just megapixels. If you're like us, you travel a lot and you love bandwidth. Today's phones fall back to slower, older protocols when they roam, but future phones would have access to LTE everywhere. So we'll raise the bar with dual LTE antennas for full-speed 4G in both Europe and the USA. Convergence is the key idea we're exploring, so this phone needs to be a potent little PC when docked. We'll select the very latest, fastest multi-core processor as we finalize the design, along with at least 4 GB of RAM and a massive 128 GB of storage. It's going to redefine PC portability. Finally, one of the key areas of innovation today is the battery. We've selected silicon anode technology as the most promising candidate for extended life and power density. This project is all about cutting-edge hardware, but being Ubuntu, we can push the limits on software too. As well as Ubuntu, you'll be able to boot Android, so you can keep using your existing app collection and experience full convergence right away with Ubuntu for Android. Now, we're not trying to get into the phone business. We're working with phone companies for your normal, mid and high-end phones. This project is just for us, the real enthusiasts. That's why a crowdfunding approach is perfect. If there are enough of us interested in pushing the limits of the phone, then it will happen. The Ubuntu Edge will be a limited edition production run available only to supporters of this campaign. If it works well, we might even do it annually, just to keep ahead of the curve. If you're like us, you're a little impatient to experience the future. You like to try every new device just to see how they're improving. And with this project, for the first time, you will have the ability to try the most exciting technologies long before everyone else. To make it happen, we'll have to smash every record in crowdfunding history. It's a crazy, beautiful idea. But if there are enough of us out there, enough enthusiasts who want the ultimate in performance, storage, screen, battery, and bandwidth, then the Ubuntu Edge will be the catalyst for awesome innovation and a taste of the future of the phone.
Hi, people of the internet! We're the Punch Through team. And last year, we crowdfunded the Light Blue Bean, an Arduino-compatible board with Bluetooth Low Energy. Since then, we've sold over 25,000 beans, and we've added a bunch of features along the way. We even shipped on time.
And now we're making a new bean. And this time, it's bigger, better, bolder. The Light Blue Bean Plus.
The Light Blue Bean Plus is the easiest way to get started with Bluetooth Low Energy. You can program it wirelessly from all of these different platforms, and making a smartphone-controlled project is as easy as downloading an app. And this time, we increased the range of the Bluetooth signal. How much, you ask? A lot! And still, it runs up to a year on one of the included LiPo batteries.
We added a bunch of new Bluetooth profiles. So now you can make even cooler bean projects.
I made a telegraph keyboard. You just can't get that same genuine feeling from a modern day keyboard, you know?
I made a wireless MIDI guitar.
I made a home automation system. What is up with that song? No. Nope. Definitely not. That's better.
I made an email notifier. I better reply to that.
I made a button that donates $1 to charity every time you press it.
Once you're done with your prototype, you can use our platform Light Blue to take your project into production. I'm such a good person.
We're crowdfunding Bean Plus to pay for manufacturing. And if you pre-order one today, you get it faster than anyone else and for a better price. You ready?
Yep.
The Bean Plus is the easiest way to get started with Bluetooth Low Energy.
I'm such a good person.
That's a good one.
I don't know about you, but I absolutely love listening to music. I mean, I listen to music anytime, anywhere. While I'm working out, while I'm at the office, while I'm hopping from train to train. I guess I probably spend about 5 to 6 hours a day listening to music. I use my mobile phone as my music player because it's the simplest way for me to enjoy music. And I'm pretty sure most of you all use your phone as a jukebox too. But the problem is its quality leaves a lot to be desired. High quality music usually means a pricey stereo or high-end headphones. But have you ever wondered if we could get high quality music without having to empty all our pockets? And what we want to make you able to do is enjoy music in the simplest way possible. And that's why we created Aqua. In the past, you had to have costly headphones or a high power amplifier to get the high quality music that you wanted. But now, with Aqua, we're here to meet all your needs. Spotify with a pair of regular headphones? With Aqua, it's still perfect music. Aqua is the world's lightest micro amplifier. So, when music comes through the jack to the headphones, usually the quality is barely delivered. And why is that? Because before this output happens, the music is compressed, which means in the end, the music is less exquisite than what it used to be. But Aqua is different. Aqua uses a micro USB and lightning for input, which maintains the quality of the original music. And it also uses a codec to amplify hi-fi sound quality, which ensures that you have a delicate listening experience.
Excuse me? It will make a difference for your listening experience.
Yeah, sure. That's crisp. Yeah, that's crisp. Yeah.
How was it overall?
The bass is a lot better. Before I had it cranked all the way up, so I had to like turn it way down.
Cool.
But that's good because I can actually turn it up if I need to. That's really cool.
Yes.
Our new product called Aqua.
Aqua, okay.
Could you tell the difference?
Yes, sure. I can hear much better now. The music, listen clearer. Yeah, I like it. That's pretty great.
Yeah.
Very different.
Was it too loud?
No, not too loud. It was not too loud, more intense though, in a good way. Yeah, not too loud.
Aqua is battery free, which means you can hook it up to your phone and take it anywhere you want. What's more, Aqua is elegantly made with CNC machining. Its special design and irreplaceable metal texture make it the world's smallest, lightest, and most beautiful amplifier for headphones. Now, we design according to what users want, because we want to make more music lovers like you and me able to enjoy music in the simplest way possible. And we believe in the near future that the world is going to change the way it listens to music. So, let Aqua make a difference in your everyday life.
Yeah, it's small, easy,
Yeah.
easy to carry around, not any bigger than this.
Judging from the size, I guess you can tell it's battery free.
Oh yeah, really?
Yeah, it's battery free. It's just connected to your phone and headphones. And
So it uses this battery?
yeah.
Oh, cool. That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's so small.
Yeah, and I hope it really enhance your listening experience.
Yeah, it's a small thing to make such a big sound.
Yeah.
It's
So
good.
when do you usually listen to music?
Sometimes like going to work or running or exercising, mostly, or just like walking around. Sometimes it's better to have music than the sound of the city.
Would you consider using Aqua when you're running?
Yeah, definitely. It's even better when you're running because you want to block out everything and focus on the music because it keeps you going.
Cool.
And this would be even better to, keep up the pace and
Yeah.
stay in the music so that you can stay in the exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
I like it.
Yeah, thank you very much. We're going on Kickstarter very soon.
Oh, great. Yeah,
So
I know Kickstarter.
Check it out on
I will.
Kickstarter.
All
Yeah,
right. Thanks for letting me try.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Sarah, it's time to wake up. The weather in Lawrence is 73 and sunny. It will be warm today with a 10% chance of rain.
Mycroft, start some coffee, will you?
Mycroft, connect to Alice's room. Alice? Sweetie, it's time to wake up. Mycroft, play the best of the 80s on Pandora.
Mycroft, play Avengers Assemble.
Mycroft, what's on the schedule for today?
Sarah has a meeting with Tim at 10 a.m. Alice has soccer at 4:30 p.m. Peter will arrive at the airport at 7 p.m.
Mycroft, lock up for the day.
Introducing Mycroft, the first open source artificial intelligence for your whole home. It connects to your Wi-Fi and is so affordable that you can have one in each room, from the kitchen to the living room, bedroom, and even one in the garage. Mycroft listens for his name, so anytime you want to play music, lock a door, check the weather, or talk to another room, simply say Mycroft. Mycroft is an open source, open hardware product based on the Raspberry Pi 2, which means anyone can contribute new features, develop modules, change or even redistribute Mycroft software. Missing a key feature? Just develop your own solution and contribute it back to the Mycroft community. And since Mycroft is based on Raspberry Pi, one of the most popular open hardware platforms in the world, there are already thousands of well-documented ways to extend and improve Mycroft's hardware. Upon delivery, Mycroft will have 20 great modules and more features will be coming online over time. And because it's open source, anyone with an idea can develop and share new modules with the Mycroft community. That's why we're here today. We've assembled a great team of engineers, designers, and business professionals who are experienced and qualified. But only you can help us bring Mycroft to life. Your pledge of support will prove there is a ready market for an open source AI. We're hoping families and offices all over the world will fire up Mycroft and give us feedback about how we can make the open source platform even more useful. We're also looking for programmers, hackers, and makers who want to pull Mycroft apart, add new features, develop new modules, and share with the open source community.
We're asking you to pledge your support to help make Mycroft a reality. By backing our campaign, you can help us make Mycroft an AI for everyone.